Hi everyone, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW A80s and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset or force restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches. So all you have to do is to press the power button, which is located on the right side of your device, and press it long enough until you see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press this button and keep pressing. Of course we've got this reboot option, but let's pretend that we cannot tap on it. So keep pressing the power button. We've got the black screen, which is a really good sign. We've got the developer's logo, so now we can release the finger, and it basically means that we just successfully restarted our device or force restarted, and in a second our device will work perfectly fine again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.